How to change your name on Facebook. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right. Scroll all the way down and head over to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Move into Personal and Account Information. Head over to Name. It will redirect you to the page where you'll be able to change your name on Facebook. So first of all, what you need to do is remove the name that you have set previously and then enter the new name that you prefer. You can also enter your middle name and change your last name too. Once you have changed your name, tap on Review Change. Over here, all you need to do is enter the password of your Facebook account and then tap on Save Changes. And then the name of your Facebook account will be successfully changed and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to change your name on Facebook. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.